Hello everybody. It's more than 5 days. People are trapped in their house in Kashmir. Babies are crying, they don't have a milk. People are dying, they cannot bury them. They are using pellet guns on innocent Kashmiris. They have killed more than 100,000 Kashmiris in Kashmir. And the genocide is taking place in Kashmir. I'm here to give you a brief to all my American citizens. Please raise your voice. We are here to show our solidarity with the Kashmiri, with the innocent people. And it's going on from past 70 years. And today, still they are crying. Today, they are still killing them. We are standing here as a citizen of a great country, United States of America. And I urge everyone, please go and write to your senators, write to your congressmen that our babies don't have milk to drink. Our people don't have water to drink. Our women are crying and they are shooting with the pellet guns. They are throwing cluster bombs on a public housing there. And we have all the proof. World is watching everywhere. And I urge you, please pray and agitate. Raise your voice for the innocent Kashmiris. They are surviving. They don't have anything to lean on. They are looking towards you, great people of America. They are looking towards you. Now this is your time to come forward and support those innocent Kashmiris.
Our progress around the world is not satisfactory, is very poor. Now, there's one more thing which I want to mention, that it's a great concept that we want to bring peace as a culture. What is peace? Our absence of war is a peace? Or it is more than that? For me, it is more than that. And how would I define, how would I go to promote peace as this? That if you remember in 1913, I believe, Woodrow Wilson sat in a Senate. He said, victory without defeating someone. And that's what we need. We need to change our mind. Archibald MacLeish, if you remember, he's a novelist. He once wrote that everything about a man, that he's a man, is his mind. Rest you can find in animals. And we have to change this. That will change so many things. And we are not changing it. We need to spend more money on education to promote peace. We are spending more money on guns and bombs, and that is not the solution. The last thing which I will urge you, all of you, is this. Please think what is happening. We are at the brink of atomic war. People are stranded in their home from past 32 days. Children, they don't have a milk. Women, they don't have a medicine. And a big chaos is there. But I don't know why we are trying to avoid that scene. It is here. It is happening in front of your eyes, under your nose, but nobody is doing nothing. And we are discussing how to promote peace. And very soon, God forbid, I don't want to see that, because I'm a follower more towards Woodrow Wilson, that there should be a victory without losing anyone else after the First World War. So I believe on that, but I will urge you, all of you, when you go back to your work, please think and do something about it, because 30 days, 32 days are more than enough to bother people. They have so many diseases are taking place in their neighborhood. They are not giving a chance to Red Cross to get into. I call Red Cross and I ask them, can you help them? But they say, no, you go and call Delhi people who are sitting in a Red Cross. So please keep them in prayer. But if it is your responsibility, if it is your affinity towards peace, that you want to create peace through culture, so please come forward, be generous, and do something about those stranded people. Thank you very much. Okay, my name is Faiq صدیقی. I'm a proud Pakistani American, and I'm a TV journalist, and I'm a writer, and so on and on and on.